The usage of do, does, and did in an interrogative sentence depends on the subject-verb agreement you have in your declarative sentence. Do you really love me? Does it mean yes? Did she know the plan? Ito ay mga halimbawang pangungusap na kung saan makikita natin kung paano ginamit ang do, does, and did. Yan ang sinasabi nating interrogative sentence, okay? Dahil ang mga pangungusap ay nagtatanong, okay? They are asking question whether yes or no. Hey there, soulmate! Welcome back to our Soul channel. This is Joel P, Teacher J at your service. Sa vlog na to, sabi ko nga kanina, pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa paggamit ng do, does, and did sa mga tanong or pagtatanong. Let's start with do. They go to the market. Now, paano natin ita-transform ang declarative sentence na yan into an interrogative one? Okay, that should be, do they go to the market? Ang ginamit nating subject in the sentence is they. Okay? Ibig sabihin, ang they ay plural. Okay? So, kailangan natin gamitin na yung do. Okay? Do they go to the market? We drink enough water. Do we drink enough water? Okay, the last one. Ana and Nana always want to go to the party. Do Ana and Nana always want to go to the party? Okay, let's observe that the agreement between subject and verb is in plural agreement. So in the first sentence, we have the pronoun they. And in the second sentence, we use the pronoun we. Okay? And in the third one, we use the compound subject, which is Ana and Nena. Okay, so ibig sabihin marami. Okay? Marami sila. Okay, that's why we used do. Okay, let's see the usage of does. Your sister talks too much on the phone. So, paano naman natin yan ita-transform into an interrogative sentence? Okay, it should be, does your sister talk too much on the phone? Ayan, kung napapansin mo na wala ang S doon sa word na talks, okay? Bakit? Because that is the rule in using the word does in constructing an interrogative sentence. So yung talks, naging talk na lang siya. Ayan, so tingnan natin sa iba pang mga halimbawa. Okay, so in this sentence, Johnny's dog lives outside the house. So in interrogative sentence, it becomes, does Johnny's dog live outside the house? So, pansin nyo, natanggal ulit ang S. Okay? And the last one, it hurts him so much. So, in interrogative sentence, it becomes, does it hurt him so much? Okay, in the sentences, what is the agreement between subject and verb? Okay, it's singular. What are our subjects in the sentences? In the first one, we use a sister as our subject. The second sentence, we use the subject Johnny's dog. And then the third one, we use the pronoun it. Okay? Okay, so that's how we use the word does in an interrogative sentence. Okay, but take note of the verb change. Okay? So in the first sentence, from talks, naging talk. Lives, naging live. And then the last one, yung hurts, naging hurt. Okay? Now, let's have the last word. Ella waited the bus this morning. So, paano naman natin yan ita-transform into an interrogative sentence? In an interrogative sentence, it becomes, did Ella wait the bus this morning? Ay, kung mapapansin mo, ang ating verb ay naging present form in an interrogative sentence. Okay? From the word waited, naging wait siya. Okay? But we use the word did. That is also the rule in using the word did in an interrogative sentence. Okay? The verb should be in present form. Did Ella wait the bus this morning? The computer broke down again yesterday. So in an interrogative sentence, it becomes, did the computer break down again yesterday? So in the first sentence, if you notice, I already explained to you the verb change when we use the word did. Okay? Na yung verb nga kapag in the past form siya sa declarative sentence, in an interrogative sentence, nagiging present form. Now in this second sentence, okay, so maybe your question, Teacher J, bakit yung subject natin is singular? Okay? But then, the verb is in plural form. Diba? Our rule is that singular subject takes the singular form of the verb. Yeah, you're right, you know. But we are talking about interrogative sentence, okay? And we use the word did, okay? So kapag ginamit natin ang word na did, no matter what your subject is, be it singular or plural, still, okay, the verb change must be in present form, plural, okay? The last sentence, let's see. They visited Paris last year. So in an interrogative sentence, it becomes, did they visit Paris last year? Okay, so again, diba nakita nyo? Okay, ginamit ulit natin ang word na did. And yung visited, naging visit. Okay, did they visit Paris last year? Okay, so that's the rule. Ayan, so ganyan natin ginagamit ang do, does, and did. To sum it up, yung do ay ginagamit kapag plural ang ating subjects, okay? Like the pronouns they, I, you, we, and our compound subjects like yung example natin kanina, Ana and Nena, okay? For the word does, ginagamit natin ang singular subjects like the pronouns he, she, it, and a certain name of a person. Basta nag-iisa lang. Okay, but take note, the verb change when you are using the word does in constructing an interrogative sentence. Okay, yung singular form nagiging plural form. Okay, and for the word did, ang kailangan nating tingnan dito kapag ginagamit natin ang word na did is the verb. Okay, kung, diba, kung nasa past tense ito. Okay, kasi nga, yung do and does, ginagamit yan kapag nasa present tense yung verb mo. Pero ang did, ginagamit yan kapag nasa past tense ang verb mo. Okay? But, take note also the verb change. Yung past tense na verb na yan, okay, nagiging present form. Okay? Or nagiging present tense kapag ginamit mo na yung word na did. Ayan, so may napakadali lang kung paano gamitin ang do, does, and did. So those are the considerations na kailangan alam natin kapag nagko-construct tayo ng mga patanong na pangungusap. I hope you have learned something again today. This is Joel P. saying, a consistent practice makes everything almost perfect. Once again, Teacher J at your service. Bye-bye! Please don't forget to click the subscribe button below and i-click mo na rin ang notification bell para sa ganun ay palagi kang updated sa ating mga bagong videos.